How to log out of Telegram from multiple devices. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn on how we can log out of Telegram from multiple devices. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to log out of your Telegram account from multiple devices, it's rather quite simple to do so. Open the Telegram application. If you believe your Telegram is also logged in on other devices, then what you can do is tap the three-line icon from the top left, then go towards Settings. When you go to Settings, here you'll find the option called Devices. Just tap on it. And here you'll see all the other devices that are currently logged into your Telegram account. You can choose to terminate all other sessions except for this one if that's what you want. But you can also review or revise those devices manually right here, then tap the Terminate Session button to terminate it. This way you can log out of Telegram from multiple devices. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.